to my YouTube tutorial. This is Bikoti, and today I'm gonna show you something quite different. It's not gonna be a Photoshop tutorial today, okay? Follow me, let's dive deeper. Alright, so today I just want to quickly show you something about your system, your PC. What will really happen to your PC if it's having issue such as maybe RAM issue or screen issue, or probably if your PC is displaying a blue screen. What could be the possible reason or cause for that? Okay, the answer for that is just two. All right, there's two answers for that, and that's gonna be, it's either your system, that's your PC, is having an issue with the screen. So if it's having issue with the screen, it might display like this, or it might be as a result of bad RAM, and maybe your RAM is not okay any longer. That's your random access memory, right? Probably maybe it's having some issues, and it's no longer efficient and does not have the capacity to ensure that data are being moving across or passing power across to your system. That's your CPU, right, if I'm not mistaken. All right, so now here is some of the things you really need to put into consideration. If you look at this RAM you're seeing, you discover that you will be seeing something like this is an 8 gig RAM, quite right. This is an 8 gig RAM, and it is DDR4 or PC4. And for different systems, we have different slots of RAMs. We have, I think, DDR1. I'm very sure of DDR2. Yeah, DDR1, DDR2, DDR3, up to 4 for now. That's what we have, and their pins are quite different. So if your system is using DDR4, for instance, and you get DDR3, it will never work because of the pin. The way it is being arranged, or the way it is modeled, is quite different from DDR4, so it will not work with the system because of the structure. Okay, so now one of the things that don't really matter when it comes to your RAM is that there is a particular number. If you look closely to this RAM, you will see a particular number that states 2133, and sometimes you might be told that it really matters, maybe the speed, maybe that's the speed of the RAM, and it might not be compatible with your system because of the speed, and which is not true. It is not true. I feel the number is not really significant. It does not really matter. I'm still trying to do more findings about what the number really stands for, but it does not really matter as far as the RAM is DDR4 or PC4. It will work quite well with your system if your system uses PC4 RAM. And so this RAM is an 8 gig RAM, like you can see on top of it, 8 gig RAM, and the other RAM was not compatible with the system. This is my system actually, and I tried to change the RAM because it was malfunctioning, and I discovered that after I plugged in the RAM, it was not really working. It was making beep sounds. So the sound it was making was as a result of the incompatibility of the RAM with the system. So in case your system is malfunctioning, is having a blue screen display, so the possible cause for it might be that your RAM is bad or your screen is bad. So first of all, try to test your system with another RAM that is compatible with it. For instance, if your system supports PC4 or PC3, try to get another RAM of PC4 or 3 and test with your system. If it comes up well and it isn't displaying that blue screen, that means your RAM is bad. But if it is still displaying that blue screen after you've tested with like 2 or more RAMs, and it's still displaying the blue screen, that means your system screen is bad. You need to go and change it up. And you can also test your RAM with another system to confirm if actually your RAM is the issue or the PC, or the screen. Okay, so that's that about your system displaying blue screen. And I think you really have an insight now of why possibly your system could be displaying what's it called, a blue screen. Okay, so with this, I hope you're fine, and I hope you know what to do whenever your system displays such kind of funny move, and you know what to do. The first thing you should do is try and check your RAM, and after checking the RAM, and if you test the system with another RAM and you still discover that the blue screen is still coming up, probably maybe your screen is bad. And you can also test your RAM with another system. Okay, so that's just all I have today. And like I said, I'll be coming back fully to recording tutorials. I've been kind of away for some time now, but I'm back, and I'll be, putting out more content. More video tutorials will be coming up. Graphic design, UI UX design, and tech related stuffs like we've been discussing before now. So if you find this tip helpful, please like and watch this video, like this video and share it. And don't forget, please do subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll be more dedicated this time around. I've been away, but now I'm fully back, so I'll be more dedicated to posting tutorials now. So please, if this sounds like something you really be interested in, graphic design with Photoshop, ensure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I can't wait to see you design your imagination. Thank you.